Well, good morning, everyone, and welcome back to our tour at 10. My name is Joshua Torrance. I'm the executive director here at the Bennington Museum. Today, I thought it would be really fun to have Callie, our collection manager, talk to you about how we go through the process of adding something to our permanent collection.
Hello, I'm Callie Raspusi. I am the collections manager here at the Bennington Museum, and I am going to tell you about how we accept items into the collection, a very exciting topic. So when somebody offers a piece to the museum, we think about things like, does this belong here, or does it help us tell stories of Bennington? Does it help us interpret what life was like here? Is it a really great example of whatever it is? And is it something that we can take care of? Do we have a place for it? Do we have the resources to take care of it? And it takes a lot of resources to take care of everything in our collections. Today we're standing in storage. This is where we keep things that are not on display in the museum at any given time. And we have two large storage rooms. We have things here generally organized by type. And so when something is offered to the museum, if the collections committee decides to accept it and the board of trustees decides that this is indeed something that is very important to Bennington's history and culture, it comes to me and I catalog it, I write a description for it, I come up with all the paperwork for it. We have formal gift agreements that donors sign, and we try to collect as much history as we can from the donor as to where they got the object, why it's important, what they know about it, what its history is. We assess its condition. We think about whether or not it needs any conservation, in which case we have a relationship with the Williamstown Art Conservation Center down in Massachusetts, and we sometimes send things down there for conservation work. And then once I have it all nicely cataloged, we find a place to put it. So everything gets a number as well, a catalog number, and that number helps to connect the object with all of the information that we have on it. So the object is actually physically labeled with a number, and then you'll see that all of my drawers and all of my boxes also have numbers on them. And that is so that I can keep track of exactly where things are at any given time. And that number also goes into an object file. So I have object files for every single thing in the collection, and they also have a number on them. And that helps to connect the object with all of its information. So all of this comes together and things go into storage or they go out on display. And our curator is able to look things up easily in our catalog and decide what is going to go on exhibit next, which is very exciting. So that's pretty much how things happen around here. Good times.
Fantastic. That was just a great description of how we as a museum go about one of our primary missions and primary goals of collecting and adding things to our collection that we think are important to our history and that we can use to help educate and inspire people to learn about our history. So thank you so much, Callie. Thanks for joining us today at Tours at 10. As a reminder, I know that there's a lot of us that are having hard times right now. And so please go out, check on your neighbors, help folks as you can. Remember that we're all in this together. There's a lot of organizations and businesses that are hit particularly hard by this. The Bennington Museum is not immune to that. If you're interested and able and would like to help us, we'd certainly welcome any support you could provide. You can buy a membership. You could gift a membership to someone. You can go online and make just a general donation, or you can even go online and buy things from our fantastic gift shop. Thank you so much. Please get out there and stay together. We're going to make it through this, and we can't wait to have you back here at the Bennington Museum in person. Thanks so much. Stay strong. Bye-bye.